Hello and welcome to another web hosting tutorial. Now that you've purchased the Sitebuilder plan, you can create and edit your website with it. But if you already have a website and want to import it into the website builder for easy editing, I'll show you how. But before we begin, be sure to open the website builder you want to import in a new tab. To get started, you must be logged into your account. This is the Product and Services page. You can find it in the client area under Services. Now select your activated Sitebuilder plan and open the website builder. This is the template page. It comes up the first time you open the Sitebuilder after you purchased it. To go on, please select the last function on the left called Website Import. Now before we go on, open the other tab with your website, copy the link and paste it into the box provided. Now you just have to click on Import. Please wait until the website has successfully imported. This might take a while. And that's it. Your website has successfully been imported. Now you can start editing it with the easy Sitebuilder. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our blog and check the bell to receive updates each time we add a new video on our YouTube channel.